In every generation, heaven reminds us that we are never alone, for a loving mother continues to appear, to guide, comfort, and lead us closer to her Son. This is the story of one of her most miraculous apparitions, the appearance of Our Lady of Guadalupe. In the year 1531, on a small hill called Tepeyac near Mexico City, heaven touched earth through a humble man named Juan Diego. As he walked one cold December morning, he heard the sound of heavenly music, and there she appeared, a lady clothed with the sun, radiant and gentle, her voice filled with motherly love. She introduced herself as the mother of the true God who gives life, and she asked Juan Diego to tell the bishop to build a chapel in her honor on that very hill, a place where she could offer her love, compassion, and protection to all who seek her Son. At first, no one believed him. The bishop asked for a sign, and so Our Lady told Juan Diego to gather roses, even though it was winter and flowers did not bloom at that time. Obediently, he climbed the hill and found the most beautiful Castilian roses glowing in heavenly fragrance. When he returned to the bishop, he opened his tilma, and there, instead of just roses, appeared the miraculous image of Our Lady of Guadalupe, imprinted on his humble cloak. That image remains intact for nearly 500 years, untouched by time. Through her apparition, Mama Mary showed herself not just as the mother of Jesus, but as the mother of all nations, especially of the poor and the humble. Her image carried symbols that spoke deeply to the native people. Her dark skin, her dress of stars, her hands folded in prayer, all saying, "I am your mother." Today, Our Lady of Guadalupe is known as the patroness of the Americas and of the unborn. Her message is timeless. Do not fear any illness, nor any trouble, nor anxiety. Am I not here, I who am your mother? Through the story of Our Lady of Guadalupe, we are reminded of God's endless mercy and the Mother's unchanging love. No matter where we are or what we're going through, Mama Mary sees us, prays for us, and brings us closer to Jesus. May her message live in our hearts. Am I not here, I who am your mother? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories of faith and inspiration. God bless you, and may Mama Mary always protect you.